Hey, and welcome to the Bain Custom Integrations channel. We're going to be showcasing some great projects that our team have put together for you guys and that we've completed so you can see what our finished work is like. You can post down below comments about what it takes to do what we do, or maybe if you're working on something and you have some questions, you're more than welcome to ask us below. So let's jump in and check out some of these most recent projects that we've finished, and I'll tell you a little bit about each one. So the number one, how do we go from bare walls to finished looks? From painted with holes in the wall to a full theater experience? Well, that all starts with some of our teammates, and this right here is Gabe. Gabe does amazing work, but he's not the only one. We also have Lane. He's kind of a jokester, but all serious when it comes to work. And then Brett. And of course, I had to throw myself and Drew in there. This is the team. This is how we get work done. We work together and we give you guys finished results. But jumping back to the project here, again, working on this mantle mount, it has a recessed back box behind the TV, so the mantle mount only sticks out about an inch or so rather than sticking out about 5 or 6. And this is the motorized version, meaning that just with the remote, it'll drop itself down, it'll swivel left and right, and it will lift itself back up. We'll clean up some of those wires back there, but it's beautiful. I mean, I don't know who wouldn't want this in their home, especially if you have that high fireplace look. Gabe really took this on his own, did an amazing job. The pictures and the video show proof of that. So thank you, Gabe. The second one is a work that we kind of partnered with one of our contractors on. They did the full remodel, painting, put up some walls. We went ahead and went in and did the full pre-wire. We did 9 total speakers, 2 in ceiling, 2 on sides, 2 in rears, 3 up front. Beautiful. But the room turned out really good. It went from this drab gray that you see here to a just stunning finish with the lighting on the sides, the speakers to cap everything off, projector screen. Here's some photos you can check out and see what it looked like at the very end, also with some progress shots from our team. But I think it just turned out amazing. What do you think? And I just want to say these projects are not easy to do. Our team takes days, sometimes weeks, just kind of doing the planning and prep work and pre-wire, and that finishing, it comes together. It looks really nice, but it takes planning and it takes a bit of a process to be able to work with a contractor. And we have those people, right, to be able to get this done. So our team, Lane, Gabe, Drew, everybody will work with, a contractor to make sure we get an A to Z finish for you so that you're not just stuck with patches left or paint needed or whatever. So it looks really good and I appreciate them doing that. Okay, this next one's pretty intense. So I'll tell you a little bit about it. This is all the way down to studs, full edition on top of a home. We were asked to come in and kind of plan out a network, maybe do some audio video work. And what we ended up doing was actually kind of far more than that. We really engineered this space and tied the top and bottom together with network and audio. We used a Ubiquiti system and we put like 6 access points. There's also actually an outbuilding you don't see here, the garage, that we tied in as well. So, wires went everywhere, not only for speakers and networking, but we did HDMI for video and audio up to each TV. And this is something important, you guys, because most people, most contractors will not plan this type of work. They will kind of do the bare minimum and just say, hey, we're going to run a few wires here and there. We get to the end result, everything's closed up, and you don't actually get the functionality you want when you have a true AV networking automation guy doing your work like our team. You get the desired result. We still have a little bit of work to go, but you can see this huge transformation. The drywall is up. All the wires are concealed back there. We have a full network panel. I don't actually have a video of that. And the end result is going to be, he's going to get the exact functionality that he wants out of this home. Big thanks to our team. They're the ones who really put in the work and the effort. That's Lane there on the ladder. Brett helped with this one as well. Beautiful, beautiful project. One of my favorites that we've worked on so far. So at the same time we were working on this project, we started one in Lake Stevens through another contractor we work with, not our own in-house. And they were doing this beautiful remodel. I do have some finished shots, but this is one where I was super impressed with the way everything turned out because we actually utilized invisible speakers in 2 different zones and they turned out awesome. This is from a company called Stealth. They're out of Mount Vernon here in Washington. We use them, we sell them, we install them, and they just turn out awesome every time. They're high performance and you can see it. You actually literally can't see it right here. there is a speaker in that wall. There's 4 speakers in this room and you can't see anything. There's no wires. There's no mess underneath that TV there. It's all super clean. Partnering with a contractor like this to get this level of finish is almost unheard of through regular DIY and, standard contractor methods. That's just that extra level of kind of going above and beyond to get that finished look and performance out of the audio system. We did a full rack build, whole home networking, audio pretty much everywhere for this one, indoor and outdoor. Hopefully there's going to be another video where I'll give you guys some more updates on this. But truly awesome system, great client to work for. And again, the contractor was super awesome as well. This next one is a bit of icing on the cake. This is actually more of a commercial job where we installed 6 total speakers. We also did the downstairs previously where we put in, I believe it was 4 speakers in one zone. These are all 8 ohm standard speakers, but can also be ran in 70 volt for commercial style systems. And then they are a brand called Eero. These here are the pendants. And then we also have some surface mounted that go both above the bar and in the main dining area. They just were a little more practical for what we wanted to do up here and still had great sound quality. This was a fun install, but I really wanted to showcase it because people think of audio and video and they don't think of it for their business. Maybe you buy a small wireless speaker and you just, hey, I'm just going to set this up on the table or somewhere random throughout the restaurant or throughout the shopping space. And here we can conceal everything for you, right? We can hook it all back up to a rack that you can manage, that customers can't mess with, that's super easy to maintain, and it looks super clean. I mean, you would never notice above and beyond the lights that are there, right? You wouldn't ever see them. And then the last project, this one was a little while ago. This is actually out on Camino Island. I think it turned out really well. The big highlight here is that TV. That TV is on a 1/2-inch piece of steel, and we had to really drill through that to get that up. It turned out really good. It's pretty high in the air. You can't really tell. So it took a bit of effort. We also took the time and we wired in all the speakers that were in the ceiling. We had to cut those in. It was epic. It just turned out really good. I love the way the ceiling looks. So this was just kind of bonus for you guys to check out. We'll have plenty more popping up on the YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about new segments we're doing. We're getting into golf simulators. We may be doing some work with solar. There will be plenty more of these videos in the future, so we hope to see you on the next project review video on the channel. So subscribe if you want to see more.